Okay, so I added a few extra diagrams down at the bottom so I could walk you through this step by step. Now there is a set of parentheses, so you start there. And let's see, we are going to start with C, and let me go smaller on this. Let's see, here is circle C, and we want everything inside of C. And then circle B is this one, and you want everything inside of that. And then what they want from you is where they intersect. Now where they intersect is where the pink, let me fill this one in better, is where the pink and the blue overlap. And of course when you mix pink and blue you get purple, don't you? So the purple area is this right here. I'm trying to put purple on top of it. It's not working very well. I'll do it over here. This right here is where they overlap. So this picture right here is the C intersect B. C intersect B is the purple shaded area. Now what they want us to do is remove any part of A that is in that, and A, sorry, come on pen, work with me here. All right, A is this circle here. So the only part of that green circle that touches the purple one is this right here. So they want us to remove that. So you take the purple and you remove out A, which is anything that's green. And so that is going to leave us with just this little section right here. Now in my math lab, you're going to click this right here. It will enlarge the graph, and then when you do, there'll be like this toolbox over here that shows up, and there's like a bunch of little squares, but in one of them, and I'm not a great drawer, there's like a little paint bucket, and I'm pretty sure it's, no, I don't think it's highlighted in yellow, but you're going to click on that paint bucket, and then you're going to move the paint bucket so that it is on top of this section, and you just click it, and you'll see the paint bucket too. Let me use the pencil. You will see the little paint bucket like that. It looks like a little, I don't know, I can't draw a bucket. Anyway, it looks like that with paint coming out of it. So you move it there and you click, and that'll turn yellow. If for some reason you had to click another region, you have to go back and click the paint bucket here for every single one that you have to shade in. So if there was more than one region, like if for some reason this region and this region and this region also had to be shaded, I'd have to click on that paint bucket 4 times once for each of those sections. So you click on it, put your mouse here, click on it again, move it over to here, click on it again. I think you get the idea. Anyway, so that's number 14.